What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down in this channel, welcome to Small Feet, Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, we are getting into Hat Club's Water Camo collection. I am very excited about these hats. Y'all know I love camouflage hats. I don't have too many of them. I try to be picky so that I don't go too crazy and end up with a duffel bag full of camouflage hats. But the ones I do have, very nice hats in my collection, and I really do get jiggy with the different types of camouflage. And today we're seeing a brand new one. I've never seen this water camo on hats before. Let me know in the comment section if you've seen it before, but I don't think you have. I think Hat Club is tapping into something new right now, and I gotta give them kudos where kudos are due. So the water camo joints drop on Friday. It's a whole collection, lots of teams, lots of variety and front logos. There's a lot of good hats, so do not sleep. Personally, I had to bring the Yankees home, but if you watch until the end of the video, I'll let you know what other teams I do have my eye on, because I might actually pick up a couple more. I really like this new pattern. So it's kind of like a digital camo, just a little bit, but it's a little bit more blurry, a little muddier, and I mean that, you know, in the best way possible. I also think that pink and camouflage just make a ridiculous color combo. Actually, wait one second. This is another Hat Club hat right here that is also pink and camo. I think this one is a Real Tree pink camo. This was from the Sakura collection. Don't sleep on the different patterns, new patterns. They really do come in clutch when you're trying to add variety to your collection. We're seeing so many hats right now drop every week that look the same. When something new drops, you gotta appreciate that. So let's break it down like I always do. This is an all over water camo hat. The tones are like brown. There's some lighter tans in here. There's some darker brown spots as well. So light tan, brown, khaki, that kind of vibe is what we're seeing here. And it also kind of just overall has a green hue to it. It's very faint, it's very light, but there's definitely some green in here. And the eyelets are also kind of like a dull, like olive green. Get into the details, as I always say. White Yankees front logo on the front, really standing out against that camo. Classic 1999 side patch. I don't think they needed to go crazy, and they didn't. They kept it simple and it works. Simple, but effective. Same thing with the flat baddie on the back. Classic Batterman on there. Brown New Era flag. It makes sense this time around that obviously it is not tonal because the hat is camouflage. Pink UV, like I mentioned before. White guts. One thing I do want to make sure I mention so y'all are not surprised, the hat is ripstop. So this is a ripstop material on the crown, and the hat was made in Bangladesh. Of course, you got that Hat Club branding on the inside. I believe this is Freddie's work, one of the designers over at Hat Club. I said it in the beginning when his first couple collections dropped that he had a fresh perspective and was kind of just bringing something new to the space, and he continues to do that because this fire, absolute fire. Big heat. Now, of course, we are gonna steam and curve this hat, but just for the one time, look at that right there. It's giving very much 2003. Love to see it. Who's still rocking their hats like this? Sound off in the comment section. Honestly, I'm not gonna hold you. It works for some people, especially if you have a wider face. I have a very skinny face, so I just look better with my hats curved. But if you have a wide face, you might still be rocking with the flat brims, and it could be working for you. Just like that, we back. About 2 minutes for me, but 1 second for y'all. This is what the hat is looking like, steamed and curved. I did it just like I do all the rest of my hats, except I couldn't find my water bottle today, so I used whatever this is. Use what's around you. You don't have to have the water bottle. A lot of y'all ask me, you know, what size is the water bottle? It's 18 ounces, but literally just use what's around you. But anyways, this is what the hat is looking like. Absolute 10 out of 10. It's gonna be perfect for the spring summer season. Sometimes green, brown, like that darker camo can feel a bit heavier in the summertime, but this is lighter. The pink UV adds some flavor. It's gonna be perfect for these warmer months that are coming. Also, y'all can go true to size. The hat fits just like all of my other hats. Last but definitely not least, I did say that we would talk about some of my other favorite hats out of the pack. So of course the Yankees is coming in number 1, gotta stick with the home team, but number 2 is definitely gonna be that Diamondbacks. That purple UV popping off the camo crazy. And I think there's a little bit of metallics in that one. If I'm remembering correctly, there's definitely like a copper outline on that Diamondback strip. So fire hat. That one is gonna come in at number 2. Number 3 goes to the Braves. It was between the Orioles and the Braves, but I'm gonna give it to the Braves because I really like the maroon with the camouflage. That one has a maroon crown and a camouflage visor, so a little bit of a switch up from the Diamondbacks at number 2, but still a very nice hat. I love the variety with this collection. All of the hats look different. The Orioles obviously will come in at number 4. Very nice hat, especially for the Orioles fans out there. I think the orange looks really good with the green and the tans in the hat. And that is my top 4 from the Hat Club Water Camo collection. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love. I would definitely appreciate it, and I will check y'all out in the next one.